Federal funding cuts to Head Start and SNAP are leaving working families struggling to keep up with childcare and rising food costs. Families in child care centers say both programs provide critical support, and right now they're bracing for what could be a devastating blow. WDSU's Jonah Gilmore live with more on how these cuts have a ripple effect in this community. Jonah.
Yeah, the Head Start program helps families by providing early education and meals for children, but funding cuts could force them to find alternatives and put families in a bad situation.
That is a big impact for us, for our families. It's very hurtful to know this.
Funding cuts to federal programs like Head Start and SNAP are leaving working families behind.
It's very critical that our children and our families, as well as myself and other child care centers, continue to receive the funding.
Lynette Rivers is the director of Kids Kingdom Academy and Daycare in New Orleans and relies on federal SNAP funding.
And if we lose that, how are we going to sustain that? Not only that, we use that funding to pay for our food staff as well. What are we going to do?
More than 800,000 families rely on SNAP in Louisiana, and more than 16,000 families in the state get federal funding for Head Start.
If their children have nowhere to go, they're home. And that means parents can't go to work if their children are not at home. So it's a trickling down effect.
Angel Pierre is a wife, working mother, and college graduate who leans on the extra help.
If we were to have to include that in our monthly budget, it would put us in a not so good situation.
She says losing that money will force her to find other childcare options that may put her in a bind. She works from home and won't be able to juggle work and providing high quality care for her child.
I just feel that I would be doing her a disservice by not being able to pour into her and provide her with the education that she needs.
As the funding feud continues, people are hoping lawmakers can protect the programs to help working families stay afloat.
We are doing everything that we can to just survive in these days and times.
And advocates say if funding is not restored, families will have to make the tough decision choosing between work and childcare. Reporting in New Orleans, Jonah Gilmore, WDSU News.